The superficial serratus anterior plane block is performed between the serratus anterior muscle and the latissimus dorsi muscle. The deep one is performed between the serratus anterior and the ribs or external intercostal muscles. We start off just medial to the midclavicular line, where we see the first rib, and then we trace to the second, third, fourth, and fifth rib. Here, as we scan more laterally, the serratus anterior muscle thickens. Here we see the fifth and sixth rib with the serratus anterior muscle just superficial to it. And as we scan more laterally and posteriorly, we see a slip of the latissimus dorsi muscle coming in with the thoracodorsal artery just between the latissimus dorsi muscle and the serratus anterior muscle. In this labeled ultrasound image, LD is latissimus dorsi muscle and SA is serratus anterior muscle. The red dot is a thoracodorsal artery. The fascial plane between the two muscles are denoted by a dashed line, whereas the pleura is denoted by the dotted line. For superficial serratus anterior plane block, an injection is performed between the latissimus dorsi muscle and serratus anterior muscle, with care taken to avoid the thoracodorsal artery. For the deep serratus anterior plane block, an injection is made between the serratus anterior muscle and the rib, with care taken to avoid the pleura. Here, using the color function, we're able to visualize the thoracodorsal artery. Note the probe position is at the mid to posterior axillary line for serratus anterior plane block. A typical local anesthetic dose of 30 to 40 ml of 0.25% levobupivacaine with or without epinephrine may be used.